Auger tractor tutorial. We're idling with the auger engaged. PTO. I'll trickle a little bit in there. That's enough. Okay, now we'll bring her up to speed. Very gently. We'll feather that throttle up. We want about 18. 1850, that's good. Okay. Okay, we'll open this up. That's about right there. You can't push a little harder. You don't really need to. Kind of watch your guys that do that. Okay, I'm going to pause out and I will show the ending. Properly shutting down this auger and emptying it out, okay? When I can, I'll come back and double check my tractor. I want a little more. Okay. Sometimes the throttles will sag a little bit on you. Just double check at your convenience. There we go. PTO. We're good. Okay, as I'm watching my unload, now I got time to close my rear hopper. So now I got that done as I'm just waiting for my truck to unload, okay? So that way I get from hopper to hopper and I don't waste time closing a door when I can do that after I move and get the grain flowing again. I'm just saving time and making efficient use of it. Okay? When I get this front hopper empty, I'm just going to leave that door open. I'm immediately going to get to my engine, my throttle, and I'm going to feather my engine down to 1,000 RPMs and let that auger idle at 1,000 RPM as it cleans out. And then as it's doing that, I'll shut my hopper, check my truck, pull ahead, and that's what I'll show in a second here. I'm going to pause this out and show all of that, okay? And here we go. There, nice and smooth. I'm just going by ear. I'm on about 1,000. Yeah, there we are. 990, 980, perfect. All right. I'm gonna pull my truck ahead as that auger just gently idles and cleans out. Here we go. And I can hear that auger just gently emptying out. Boom, that's my stop point right there. There we go. I'll go right to my PTO and shut it down. I'm empty. Nice, gentle clean out. There we go. Just like that. We're going to leave this tractor idle at about, we'll pull a little bit off there. Universal idle speed is about 1,000 RPMs. That's where you want to be, as I've taught in all kinds of videos throughout the years now here on YouTube. All right. Now I can take care of all this. Boom, that's good enough. We're all clear. Hopper closed. And now I can close this hopper before I hit the road. All right. There we go. All right. I am Austria Dead Wolf today. See you soon on the next one. We'll have this kind of fun. I'm ready to hit the road.